This title is not merely rhetorical, it reflects how these science fundamentally interest with the core of life itself to generate innovation that propel of civilization forward. Over the next few minutes, we will the deeper into the potential held by biotechnology and reflect on its various and its implications for our collective future. What is biotechnology? Biotechnology is a branch of science that as living organisms such as microbes, plants, or animals, parts of them like enzyme or DNA, or biological system to create products or process that benefit humans. Etymology from Greek based life and technique skills and logos study, literally the study of skills in using life. Modern definition, the as of biology system, living organism, are derived to create of modified products and process for human benefit, and it involves multiple disciplines and biology, chemistry, engineering, and computer science. Brief historical development and traditional biotechnology, natural biological process like and fermentation, fermentation, and selective breeding, and modern biotechnology as of recombinant DNA technology and molecular technique. To begin our journey, it is important to have a solid understanding of the essence of biotechnology itself, tracing its roots. The term biotechnology derived from meaningful Greek word bias, meaning when technique referring to skill or art, and logos, meaning study or science, understood and the science of utilizing the skill for the purpose of creating of modified products and process that benefit human well-being. The history of biotechnology traces back to insights, practice, and that may seem simple but were revolutionary in their time, such as fermentation to product for food and drink and selective breeding, and equivalent, of course, in the factory. I started us into the modern era biotechnology, what with and the presented capability to understand and manipulate genetic material. Next milestone in biotechnology, DNA structure discovery by James Watson and Francis Crick, with contribution from Rosalind Franklin and Maurice Wilkins, opened the door to genetic inheritance and manipulation. The journey of modern biotechnology is marked by a series of discovery and innovation that have fundamentally changed the landscape of science and technology. On the most crucial milestone was the discovery of the DNA double helix structure by James Watson and Francis Crick. Next, application in health. One, drug development, recombinant insulin for diabetes, monoclonal antibody for cancer, and autoimmune disease. Genomic-based drug discovery. Next, two, gene therapy, replacing or repairing the defective genes causing genetic disease. Potential cures for previously and untreatable conditions. Next, the diagnosis, rapid and accurate diagnosis for infectious disease, AG, PCR, test for COVID, early cancer detection, drug biomarkers, genetic testing to identify inherited disease risk. Next, application in agriculture. Genetically modified crops, GMO seed. One, pest resistance, AG, BT corn, and BT cotton, and herbicide tolerance, AG, Roundup, and ready soybeans, and stress tolerant, drought salinity. Exchange nutrition, AG, golden rice. Application in agriculture to molecular breeding and marker assisted selection. Identifies superior genes early in plant development, accelerates breeding of superior variety, and biopesticide and biofertilizer, eco-friendly alternative to chemical pesticides and fertilizer, improve soil health and reduce environment harm. Next, application and industrial and environmental application. One, biocatalysis. Industrial enzyme as in detergent, textile, paper, chemical, efficient, energy saving, and less harmful loss. Bioplastic, biodegradable, plastic from renewable resource, and cornstarch, bacterial cellulose, and sustainable alternative to conventional plastic, and bioremediation, microorganism, plant, pollution from soil, water, air, and natural and effective environment cleanup method. Application in the agricultural sector. Application of biotechnology in agricultural sector. Biotechnology improve agriculture by creating genetically modified crops that resist pests, tolerate herbicides, and serve harsh environments. It enhances nutrition, aging golden rats, and accelerates crops development through market-assisted selection. The use of biopesticides and biofertilizer promotes eco-friendly farming, while disease culture allow rapid and healthy plant propagation. Biotechnology in agriculture has revolutionized the way we grow and harvest food. Through genetic engineering, we can create crops that are more resistant to pests, more productive, and more resilient to extreme environmental conditions. Implementation in health sector, biotechnology is enhanced healthcare through the production of recombinant drugs, e.g., insulin, monoclonal antibody, gene therapy to treat genetic disease, and advanced diagnosis tools like PCR and genetic testing. In health, enable fast, more effective vaccine development, as seen with mRNA COVID vaccines. Application in environmental sector. Application of biotechnology in the environmental sector. Biotechnology help address environmental issues through bioremediation, as in microorganisms, to clean pollutants from soil, water, and air. It also supports bioenergy production from renewable sources like biomass, reducing remains of these fossil fuels and biospheres, enable precise environmental monitoring, and one sector. Application of biotechnology in the environmental sector. Biotechnology have addressed environmental issues through bioremediation, as in microorganisms to clean pollutants from soil, water, and air. It also supports bioenergy production from renewable sources like biomass, and reducing reliance on fossil fuels, and biosensors enable precise environmental monitoring, while biodegradable plastic offer eco-friendly alternative to conventional plastic help reduce waste. Application in energy sector. Biotechnology support the energy sector by produce biofuels from plants and algae. Offering renewable alternative to fossil fuels, it also enables bioelectricity generation trap microorganism and adds its waste to energy process and converting waste into usable power. This application promotes cleaner and sustainable energy solution. Next, challenge in biotechnology implementation. One, high initial investment. Two, debate over genetic modification and three, licensing process. Solution to biotechnology challenge. One, collaboration, partnership between government, business, and academia. Innovation, new approach to research and development, and scalability, cost reduction through mass production. To conclusion, biotechnology holds vast potential to solve global challenges across many sectors. Continued innovation offers solutions for health, food and energy, and environment. Responsible development must consider ethical and social implications. Collaboration amongst science, policymakers, industry, and community is crucial for maximizing biotech benefit for humanity and the planet. Uh, Thanks to presentation. Do any of your friends want to ask? Ayesha,
Okay, thank you, Larin. Let me introduce myself. My name is Raisa Santika. I want to ask you, what are the main, my ask is, what is the role of biotechnology in environment protection? Thank you.
thank you, Ayesha. Next, do any of your friends want to ask? Okay, any?
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Henny Sriwidianisi. I want to ask you, Arif, what are the ethical challenges of biotech in the health sector? Thank you.
Okay, any? Thanks to us. Next, do any of your friends want to ask?
Tunggu dulu, pertanyaan kamu sama sih? Okay, thank you, Arin. What are the ethical challenges of the biotechnology and the health sector? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Iva. Okay, thank you to the friends who asked. I will try to answer the question that he means us. The first question from Aisa. What is the role of biotechnology in environmental protection? Biotechnology plays a key role in environmental protection through bioremediation, which asks microorganisms to clean up pollutants from soil and water. It also contributes by produce biodegradable, bioplastic, and reduce industrial waste through eco-friendly enzymatic process. Thus, innovation promotes a more sustainable and clean environment. How, Aisha, can you understand it?
Thank you, Arin. Your answer my ask. I understand it.
Okay, thank you, Aisha. Next question from Annie. How can biotechnology help address the global food crisis? Biotechnology help tackle the global food crisis by developing genetically modified or GM crops that are resistant to pests, disease, and extreme environmental conditions, such as drought. It also improve the nutritional value of crops like golden rice, which is enriched with vitamin A. Additionally, DNA-based breeding technique accelerate the development of high yield and resilient crop variety, and with increasing food production and security. How Hani, can you understand it?
Thanks for your answer. I understand.
Okay, thank you, Hani. Last question. Dari to Diva, what are the ethical challenges of biotechnology in the health sector? Ethical challenges in health biotechnology include concerns about genetic data privacy, potential genetic discrimination, and the long-term safety of genes. There are also issues of unequal access to this technology, driven responsible regulation and transparency and public involvement, and essential to ensure that biotechnology is as ethically and fairly. Diva, can you understand it?
Thank you. I understand.
Okay, thank you, Diva. Okay, thank you. Aiman Sani, thank you your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.